Hey guys, hope everybody's having a great cast iron Wednesday. What I'm going to do today is kind of a replay of last week's. My wife asked me to make a dessert for her school tomorrow. And what we're going to do is we're going to follow mostly the peach skillet cake recipe, but we're going to do it in a brazier. So I have a lid she can take it tomorrow. And instead of peaches, we're going to use summer berries. So we will see how it turns out. Alright guys, got the wet ingredients mixed all together and stirred and stirred and stirred and stirred. Got the dry together. I've got this extra, which is the salt and cinnamon for the top. So we're going to kick that off to the side. And we'll slowly mix this stuff in, and I'll let you see what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, the dough's ready. I'm going to use half of it to put down in the bottom of the Braiser, and then I'll take and sprinkle some of the berries on it, and then we'll go back and put another coat of this, and then more of the berries on top again. Then we're going to take and cook it for about 30 minutes or so. Then we'll put the sweet condensed milk on top, so it'll take and kind of caramelize. But I'll be right back after I put the first layer in. We'll see how it looks. Alright guys, first coat's done. I put the dough down, then I put the berries down. I had to cut the strawberries in half, but it looks like it's going to be good. I bet this thing's going to taste awesome. Alright guys, here she is. It's ready to go in the oven. As with the other one, the dough will rise when it cooks, and it'll cover up most of the smaller pieces of fruit, but it'll leave some. And then when it gets down to about 10 minutes to go, I'm going to take and put some of the condensed milk on it, so it'll take and create a caramel layer. So for right now, it's going to go in for 30 minutes, and then after that, it'll probably be 15 or another 30. I know the other one took nearly an hour to get done. Alright guys, here she is. It's solid on top, still a little jiggly, so I'm going to take and go ahead and put the condensed milk on it. Then I'll put the rest of the sugar and spice on there. And then we'll throw it in the oven and see what turns out nice. Alright guys, I got the condensed milk on, and then I took the rest of the sugar and cinnamon, put all over it. Now it's going to go back in. I'm going to put it for 25 minutes, so it should harden it up good, and it'll be ready to go. Alright guys, here she is, totally done. Unfortunately, I can't cut into it because it's for my wife's work tomorrow with her class, so they will get to enjoy it, and I told them just save me a piece. So hope everybody does great, has a great week, and I'll see you next Wednesday.